Which strobe light is actually good for your DJI Mini 3 Pro? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that, breaking down the top 5 options so you can fly safely and legally at night without guessing. Product number 1, VIFLY Single Strobe. First up is the VIFLY Drone Strobe Light, a single-unit pack priced at just $19.05. What caught my eye is how lightweight it is, only 6 grams, so it won't drag down your Mini 3 Pro's flight time. It comes in green, red, and white and promises 3+ mile visibility, which meets FAA night flying rules. If you want a no-fuss, ultralight strobe that won't slow you down, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 5*3W high-intensity LEDs are seriously bright, making your drone visible from miles away, exactly what you need when flying in low-light conditions or near airspace. The built-in 160 mAh battery gives up to 4 hours of runtime, and recharging is simple with a USB cable. Plus, the 3M dual-lock mounting means you can stick it on top, bottom, or even wrap it around a leg without tools. Over 900 people bought this in the past month, which says something about its reliability. Now, some people complained about the lack of multiple lighting modes. This one basically just blinks in solid colors without pattern options. Here's the thing though, if you're flying legally at night, you really only need consistent, bright visibility, not a light show. For basic FAA compliance and safety, it does the job well. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight, affordable strobe that's easy to install and doesn't drain your drone's performance. Skip this one if you're looking for customizable flash patterns or multicolor cycling. For under $20, it's solid value for casual or regulatory night flying. Product number 2, SDARTRC Dual Pack. Next is the SDARTRC Drone Strobe Light 2 Pack at $38.10. This one stands out because it includes 2 lights and a ton of mounting options, 4 adhesives, silicone rings, Velcro, and a charging cable. It's built for serious flyers who want redundancy or 360 degrees coverage. If you want extra visibility and flexibility for night operations, this is worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With 120 lumens and 360 degrees visibility, these lights make your Mini 3 Pro much easier to spot during search missions or long-range flights. The 250 mAh battery lasts up to 5 hours, which is great for extended sessions. It fits nearly every DJI model, including the Mini 3 Pro, Avata 2, and Air 3S, so it's future-proof if you upgrade. Now, some people complained about the plastic build feeling a bit flimsy, especially after repeated removals. Here's the thing though, for drone accessories that weigh almost nothing, durability isn't usually the top priority, functionality is. As long as you handle it with care, it holds up fine for regular use. This is perfect for you if you fly frequently at night, do search and rescue simulations, or just want backup lights for safety. Skip this one if you only need a single light or are on a tight budget. At just under $40 for 2, it's a smart investment for serious pilots. Product number 3, LYONGTCH Single Strobe. Now, if SDARTRC's dual pack felt overkill, the LYONGTCH Single Strobe at $19.05 might be more your speed. This one's tiny, just 1.46 inches long and under 9 grams, but packs 10 different lighting modes including color combinations like white, red, fast blink. If you want customization without spending much, this is a solid pick. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Having 10 modes means you can adjust brightness and flash patterns based on your environment, slow blink for calm areas, fast blink for high-traffic zones. The 3-mile-plus visibility meets FAA standards, and the 150 mAh battery lasts 7 hours depending on the mode. It also includes Velcro and rubber straps, so you can mount it almost anywhere on your Mini 3 Pro. Now, some people complained about inconsistent battery life. Some got 7 hours, others barely 2. Here's the thing though, that's common with ultra-budget strobes. The lower the power setting, the longer it lasts. If you stick to slower blink modes, you'll get decent runtime. This is perfect for you if you want affordable, customizable lighting and don't mind experimenting with modes. Skip this one if you need guaranteed long battery life or rugged build quality. For under $20, it's a fun, functional option. Product number 4, LYONGTCH Dual Strobe. Alright, that was a solid single light option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for safety-conscious pilots. The LYONGTCH2 pack at $30.48. You get 2 of the same compact strobes with 10 lighting modes, dual mounting options, and 3-mile visibility. If you want full coverage without breaking the bank, this is a smart upgrade. Here's why this matters for you specifically. 2 lights mean you can mount one on the top and one on the bottom or sides, giving true 360 degrees visibility, critical when flying near other aircraft or in busy areas. Each has a 150 mAh battery with up to 7 hours of runtime on low settings, and the variety of flash patterns helps you stand out in any condition. It's compatible with the Mini 3 Pro, Flip, Avata 2, and more. Now, some people complained about the plastic shell cracking if dropped. Here's the thing though, these weigh less than an AA battery. Durability isn't the main concern. Just avoid hard impacts and they'll last plenty of flights. This is perfect for you if you want dual lighting on a budget and value mode flexibility. Skip this one if you need metal construction or ultra-long battery life. At around $15 per light, it's excellent value. Product number 5, VIFLY Triple Pack. Finally, if you're serious about visibility, the VIFLY 3 pack at $49.55 gives you maximum coverage. Each light weighs just 6 grams, has 5*3W LEDs, and runs up to 4 hours. You can mount one on top, one on the bottom, and one on the side for full anti-collision lighting. If you fly in regulated airspace or do commercial work, this is the safest bet. Here's why this matters for you specifically. FAA rules require anti-collision lighting for night flights, and having 3 lights ensures you're seen from every angle. The super bright LEDs are visible from over 3 miles away, and the lightweight design won't affect your Mini 3 Pro's agility. The 3M mounts make installation quick, and the USB charging is straightforward. Now, some people complained about the price being high compared to single units. Here's the thing though, when it comes to safety and compliance, spending a little more is worth it. This isn't just a light, it's peace of mind. This is perfect for you if you fly professionally in controlled airspace or just want maximum safety. Skip this one if you only fly casually or on a tight budget. For under $50, it's the most complete solution here. So which one should you pick? The VIFLY single is great for basics. STARTRC gives you 2 solid lights with long battery life. LYONGTCH offers mode variety at a low cost, and the VIFLY triple pack is best for full compliance. If you're flying at night, don't skip the strobe safety first. Pick the one that fits your needs and fly smart.